Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the transformative journey of embracing health through fasting, with a spotlight on the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing health and well-being has become more crucial. Fasting, particularly intermittent fasting, has emerged as a powerful tool that not only aids in weight management, but also offers a myriad of health benefits that can truly transform your life. Fasting has been practiced for centuries across various cultures and religions, not only for its spiritual significance, but also for its profound impact on physical health. The benefits of fasting extend far beyond just weight loss. It can help improve metabolic health, enhance brain function, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote longevity. By giving your digestive system a break and allowing your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, fasting triggers a cascade of positive changes within your body that can lead to remarkable health improvements. Intermittent fasting in particular has gained widespread popularity for its simplicity and effectiveness. This eating pattern involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, with various methods such as the 16-8 method or the 5-2 diet. By restricting the window of time in which you consume food, intermittent fasting can help optimize hormone levels, increase cellular repair processes, and boost metabolism. The beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its flexibility, making it a sustainable lifestyle choice for many individuals looking to improve their health. As we embark on this journey of health transformation through fasting, it's essential to recognize the transformative power of fasting. Beyond the physical changes that fasting can bring, such as weight loss and improved energy levels, it can potentially revolutionize your overall health and well-being. By embracing fasting as a lifestyle choice, you are nourishing your body and nurturing a healthier relationship with food and a deeper connection to your body's needs. Join us as we explore the incredible benefits of fasting, delve into the science behind intermittent fasting, and witness firsthand the transformative power it can have on your health and vitality. Let's embark on this journey together towards a healthier, happier you. Understanding fasting, exploring the science and significance of intermittent fasting. Fasting, a practice deeply rooted in history and tradition, is significant in various cultures and religions worldwide. At its core, fasting involves voluntarily abstaining from food and sometimes drinking for a set period. While fasting has long been associated with spiritual rituals and observances, its impact on physical health and well-being is increasingly recognized and studied. Fasting is a means of purification, self-discipline, and spiritual enlightenment across diverse cultures and religions. From the Islamic tradition of Ramadan to the Christian observance of Lent, fasting plays a significant role in fostering a sense of mindfulness, gratitude, and connection to one's faith. Individuals partaking in fasting rituals by refraining from indulgence and practicing restraint seek spiritual growth and physical and mental rejuvenation. From a scientific perspective, fasting has been shown to trigger a cascade of physiological changes within the body that can profoundly affect health. When we abstain from food, our body shifts from using glucose as its primary energy source to burning stored fat through ketosis. This metabolic switch not only aids in weight loss, but also promotes cellular repair, reduces inflammation, and enhances brain function. Intermittent fasting, a popular and accessible form of fasting, involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine, you can benefit from improved insulin sensitivity, increased autophagy, cellular cleansing, and enhanced metabolic health. As we delve deeper into fasting, particularly the transformative practice of intermittent fasting, we unravel the intricate relationship between food, fasting, and our overall well-being. Join us on this journey of exploration and discovery as we uncover the science behind fasting and unlock the potential for health transformation through this ancient yet powerful practice. Health benefits of fasting. Unveiling the transformative power of intermittent fasting. Fasting, especially intermittent fasting, has garnered widespread attention for its remarkable health benefits, extending far beyond weight management. One of the most notable benefits of fasting is its impact on weight management and metabolism. When you fast, your body taps into its fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss and improved body composition. Intermittent fasting in particular is an effective tool for promoting fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass. By restricting the window of time in which you eat, intermittent fasting can help regulate appetite, reduce calorie intake, and boost metabolism, making it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Fasting also plays a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity, a critical factor in preventing and managing conditions such as type 2 diabetes. By giving your body a break from constant food intake, fasting helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. In addition to its effects on weight and metabolism, fasting has been shown to have profound anti-inflammatory effects on the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Fasting can help reduce inflammation by suppressing inflammatory markers and promoting cellular repair processes, ultimately supporting a healthier immune system and reducing the risk of chronic disease. Furthermore, fasting has been found to offer significant benefits for brain health and longevity. Studies have shown that fasting can enhance cognitive function, promote neuroplasticity, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by stimulating the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and encouraging the growth of new neurons. Fasting can support mental clarity, focus, and overall brain health. Here are some practical tips and strategies to help you successfully implement intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. When it comes to intermittent fasting, there are various schedules and methods to choose from, allowing you to find a fasting routine that best suits your preferences and lifestyle. The 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, is famous for beginners. Alternatively, you may opt for alternate fasting between fasting and regular eating days. Experiment with different fasting schedules to discover what works best for you in terms of adherence and results. As you begin your intermittent fasting journey, you may encounter challenges such as hunger pangs, cravings, and adjusting to a new eating pattern. To overcome these obstacles, stay hydrated, consume plenty of water and herbal teas during fasting periods, and gradually ease into fasting by starting with shorter fasting windows before extending them. Keep yourself busy with activities to distract from hunger. And remember that it's normal to experience some discomfort initially as your body adapts to the new routine. Plan your meals strategically to maximize your fasting experience and ensure optimal results. During your eating window, focus on nutrient-dense whole foods such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats to support your overall health and energy levels. Embrace the flexibility and empowerment that intermittent fasting offers as you embark on this transformative journey towards a healthier, happier you. Countless success stories and testimonials attest to the life-changing benefits of fasting. Individuals who have embraced fasting as a lifestyle choice often report increased energy levels, better mood regulation, and a renewed sense of vitality that empowers them to live life to the fullest. By giving your body a break from constant food intake, fasting allows your digestive system to rest and your cells to undergo repair and regeneration. This process boosts energy levels and mental clarity, and enhances cognitive function, concentration, and productivity. Many individuals find that fasting helps them tap into a more bottomless reservoir of energy and mental acuity that propels them through their day with renewed vigor and resilience. By cultivating a mindful and intentional approach to eating and nourishing your body through fasting, you lay the foundation for sustained well-being and longevity. Fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, support immune function, and promote cellular repair, all contributing to a healthier, more vibrant life in the long run. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we unlock the transformative potential of fasting to nurture a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. From weight management and improved metabolism to enhanced mental clarity and longevity, fasting offers a holistic approach to nurturing our bodies and minds. Recapping the main benefits of fasting and intermittent fasting, we've learned how these practices can support weight loss, regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and promote cellular repair. By incorporating fasting into your lifestyle, you can optimize your metabolic health, boost energy levels, and cultivate a deeper connection to your body's needs. Now is the perfect time to embark on your fasting journey and start reaping the rewards of improved health and vitality. Setting achievable goals, whether it's starting with a simple 16-8 fasting schedule or gradually working your way up to longer fasting periods, can help you ease into the practice and establish a sustainable routine that works for you. By committing to this journey, you are investing in your long-term well-being and setting yourself up for a healthier future. Join the countless individuals who have experienced life-changing results through fasting and discover the transformative potential within you. To stay connected and continue learning about the benefits of fasting, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who can benefit from this valuable information. Together, let's inspire and empower each other to prioritize our health and well-being through the transformative practice of fasting. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Here's to embracing health transformation through fasting and unlocking the limitless potential within you.